Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis for gold. Let's see what's happening. Right, starting with Forex Factory. Let me share my screen. Right, it's for tomorrow, 19th of July, 2023. Today's news was, as you can see, 130 was negative. All the news were negative. So we'll discuss how the gold behaved on this news. And before that, let's see go on now for tomorrow. What will we expect tomorrow for USD, which directly relates to gold price. And we have heavy impact news at 1:30 p.m. And what it is actually greater than forecast is good for currency. So if actually is greater than forecast, it will be good for currency. Okay, let's see now what's happening with Dixie. Dixie monthly, as you can see, is bearish. Weekly is bearish, and currently it stands at this level, and it's expected that this level may bounce it back from here to this retest of this. However, let's see in daily what's happening here. Daily, as you can see, perfect structure for movement to the upside because it's on the level, and these candle structures clearly show that it can go to the upside. That's a daily chart, 4-hour double bottom here. However, this candle seems have some bearish sign. But anyway, if the break to the upside happens, then we can expect further movement. Otherwise, we'll expect downside movement. So this range is very critical, and we'll see which side it breaks. Hopefully tomorrow at the news time. Obviously, and you know that will have a opposite effect on the gold. If the Dixie goes up, gold will go down, and vice versa. As I shown in daily, it shows that it can go up from this at 4 hours as well. So let's see now what's happening in gold. Right. Gold in monthly, there's a rejection from here, as you can see. And now we're moving to the upside. Weekly, very bullish structure. Let's see what does RSI say. So RSI is about 50. We can expect also this trend line, so that's highly bullish, and that was now even daily is bullish. 4-hour is bullish as well. So currently gold is bullish, even 1 hour as well. As you can see that it's clearly, you can see that it's bullish. And also actually you can make a channel here. It's moving in a channel. And we have a level here. And we have a level here as well, which also I discussed before. This is a W pattern in daily. We can expect the move because this is a resistance level here. So we can expect rejection from here, and the market can test this level, and it can test this W level because market is very, very volatile at the moment. So it is possible that it may not test the W pattern properly. However, as you can see, it did come down here. It tried to reach this level, however, it couldn't because market is highly bullish. So this is the, if I put a level here, then we will have more clear picture. So instead of coming down to this level, it just came to here, and you can see in 1 hour chart, nearly 100 pips difference. But it can happen. It may not come to this level, as I said before, because market is highly volatile. However, let's see what can happen. Now we got a level here, this level, and market went up today because the Dixie, although Dixie didn't have any clear direction in daily, but the gold was bullish, and the news was in favor of it as well. But what happened at news time? At news time, market went down, and then market went down, liquidated a lot of people, and it went up. This is where the market went down, although the news was negative. So realistically, what could have happened? The market could have gone up all the way, and then keep going. However, this is how markets run sometimes. So that people make losses, and then it takes the liquidity from here, and news time took liquidity, went up, it went down again, more liquidity, and then broke this level. And here we had a good buy trade. As you can see, 15 minutes as well. You can go on 5 minutes and could have taken a trade from here. Right. And now this situation market at market stands as 1980, went all the way to 1984. For tomorrow, as I shown you the chart, that Dixie is possibility that Dixie will bounce from that level to the upside. If that happens, we can move, gold can move to the downside. Also, there's this rejection candle as well. All right. Before it moves to the downside, we could see a spike here as well, spike level here. Just especially at the news time. And these are some important levels. You can further narrow it down into smaller time frames. Looks like it'll make a double top here before it gives the next move. Double top, come down, then maybe to the upside. Let's see. There's several possibilities here. So let's see what happens. However, So these are the important levels. Especially this level here. So unless we see a good reversal candle here, then we shouldn't be trading. Probably this is not a good trading where the market stands. That's not a good trading area probably. Why? Because you don't know which way it will head towards. Although it gave rejection from here, but we expect move to the upside now, probably to this level, and this level here, and then to this level up to there. So just keep away from it. There's a lot of other pairs you can trade, or if you only trade in gold, then best to keep it away from it at the moment. That's the best strategy. No trading is a trading as well. So I hope it is helpful for you, and you have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.